It's exam time. How to answer the Part 6 of KET Cambridge Examination. Part 6 consists of writing an email, a postcard, or a note. What do I have to do? You need to write an email, a postcard, or a note to a friend. There are 3 things that you have to tell your friend. The question might include a message from your friend asking for 3 pieces of information. 3 pieces of information. Or it might tell you the 3 points that you must write about. You should write 25 words or more. How do I do it? As with all the parts of the Cambridge KET examination, you have to read the instructions carefully. Start your letter, postcard, or note with hi, hello, or dear, and the person that you are writing to. You have to find the 3 things you need to write about and make sure to include them. Attention, you will lose marks if you only write about 1 or 2 points. Make sure you write about the correct time, past, present, or future. And also finish your letter with from and your name. Example, from Erica, because that's my name. Read your letter carefully to check your mistakes. Check that you have written 25 words or more. If you write a lot less than 25 words, you will lose marks. And if you write a lot more, you might make more mistakes and lose marks that way. So what does it look like? This is a real KET Cambridge examination task. The pink arrow shows the situation. The green arrow shows what you have to write, an email in this case. The yellow arrows show the 3 pieces of information that you have to include. And the red arrow shows the word count. For this task is 25 words or more. So how do I know that I'm doing it right? Here you have an example of a writing checklist that you can use whenever you practice for this specific task. Check all the top fields in this rubric. And after you have done your writing, check each one with a green face or with a red mark. So in that way you will know whether you are correct or not. This is an example of a task. As you can see, you have the instructions. Read the email from your English friend Billy. So that's how you know who you are writing to. Here the pink arrow shows the situation. Thanks for inviting me to your house this weekend. What are the 3 things I have to include? For this task, the yellow arrow shows the 3 pieces of information you have to include. First, when can I come? Second, what shall I bring? And third, what will we do together? You have to include these 3 things in the email that you write to Billy. Remember, you have to write 25 words or more. Wow, is that it? Well, just one more point. Make sure you check your spelling, your punctuation, and do not forget to count the number of words you have.